In this video, I will show you how you can close apps on your iPad 11A16. Now doing that is very simple. Now first of all, let's open an app on our iPad. As you can see, I've opened the YouTube app. Now to close this app on our iPad, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And by doing that, you will close the app which you have opened on your iPad. But the app will still run in the background. Now to close this app completely and to stop it from running in the background, just swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I will swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen. And as you see this app rise up from the left side of the screen, just lift your finger off the screen. And by doing that, you will enter into the recent apps section. Now over here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now to close the apps which are running in the background, just swipe up on the app to close it. And this is how you can close apps on your iPad 11A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.